Hello everyone, with the first video in this new year. Before I start the new lesson, which is quantifiers, I wish you a happy new year in your life. Now let's get started with what are types of nouns in order to understand clear what are the quantifiers in English. So there are two types of noun in English. First one is countable noun and the second one is uncountable nouns. Okay, countable nouns refers to the nouns that we can count. They have both singular and plural form. They may be used in questions how many. Example here, how many books do you have? Maybe the answer, I have 3 books or 2 books, etc. في هذه الحالة يمكننا نحسبه عدد الكتب اللي عندنا. تفهمنا؟ The second example, how many pencils do you have? The answer, I have 3 pencils or 4 pencils, etc. إذن countable nouns هي الأسماء القابلة للعد. مثال students, notebooks, apples, etc. Whereas uncountable nouns are the nouns we cannot count. They are usually singular. They may be used the question how much. إذن uncountable nouns هي الأسماء الغير قابلة للعد. Example, coffee, milk, orange juice or water. إذن خاصنا شي طريقة باش نحسبو هاد الأسماء، وهاد الطريقة هي quantifiers اللي هو درسنا اليوم. إذن شنو هما هاد quantifiers؟ Let's go. So, what are quantifiers? Are the word that we use to show quantity of something. They usually come before the nouns such as some, any, many, a few, a little, much, penalty of, a lot of. Let's get started with some. Some is used with countable and uncountable nouns, used only with affirmative sentence. Example, I bought some pens. Pens ممكننا نحسبوهم، يعني أقلام ممكن نحسبوهم، يعني غنديرو معهم quantify some، يعني هنايا countable ممكن تحسبو. But with a certain interrogative sentences which have answer yes or no. الحالة الأولى when we are asking for something، يعني عندما تسأل عن شيء ما. Example, can I have some tea please؟ انت يعني كطلب واحد طلب من شخص ما، يعني هنايا في الجملة كاين uncountable nouns اللي هو tea. We use quantifier some, and the sentence here the answer by yes or no. يعني interrogative sentence استعملنا some. تفهمنا؟ الحالة الثانية when we are offering something، يعني عندما تعرض شيء على شخص ما. Example, would you like some coffee؟ هنايا coffee uncountable noun. We use quantifier some, and the answer of the question by yes or no. We use quantifier some. تفهمنا؟ هادو هما الحالات فين كنستعملو quantifier some. نتمنى تكونوا فهمتوا فين كنستعملو quantifier some. دابا غندوزو للسكند وان اللي هو any, used with countable and uncountable nouns، يعني كنستعملوها مع الأسماء القابلة للعد والأسماء الغير قابلة للعد، and with negative and interrogative sentences. Example, number 1, with negative sentence, he didn't take any medicine. And with interrogative sentence, have you got any rice? And the last example, did she buy any tomatoes? هنايا medicine uncountable noun, rice uncountable noun, and tomatoes is countable nouns. يعني any we use it with countable and uncountable noun, and with negative and interrogative sentence. تفهمنا؟ دابا غندوزو another quantifier اللي هو mini. So mini used only with the countable nouns. إذن هاد الquantifier كنستعملوه مع الأسماء القابلة للعد and used with affirmative and negative and interrogative sentence. Example number 1. There are too many students here. يعني الجملة affirmative. هنايا nouns students countable nouns we use quantifier many. And the second example, she didn't make many mistakes in her test. هنايا the sentence in a negative way and mistake her is uncountable noun and we use quantifier many. تفهمنا؟ And the last example, how many sisters does he have? هنايا the sentence interrogative sentence and sisters is countable nouns we use quantifier many. تفهمنا فين كنستعملو quantifier many؟ غندوزو للسكند quantifier اللي هو a few. A few used only with countable nouns and with affirmative sentence. تفهمنا؟ يعني كنديروه مع الأسماء القابلة للعد ومع affirmative sentence فقط. Example, I have to learn a few words in English. Words here, countable nouns, we use a few. And there are a few chairs in the room. Chairs here is a countable noun, we use quantifier a few. فهمنا؟ Next quantifier اللي هو letter is used with uncountable nouns and with affirmative sentence. Example, for uncountable noun, time, homework, knowledge, milk, water, sugar, etc. Here are some examples. I have got a lot of money. A lot of money هنايا money is uncountable nouns. We use quantifier letter. And I need a lot of water to feel better. هنايا water is uncountable noun. We use a letter. تفهمنا فين كنستعملو quantifier letter with interrogative and negative sentence. Example, there is too much wind. wind هنايا ميمكنناش نحسبوه يعني uncountable nouns. And second example, how much time do you need to finish the work? هنايا interrogative sentence and time uncountable nouns we use quantifier much. It's only a small town, there isn't much to do. هنايا sentence in a negative way we use quantifier much. تفهمنا؟ And quantifier a lot of used with countable and uncountable nouns and used with affirmative and negative and interrogative sentence. Examples here, I don't have a lot of time. Time here uncountable nouns. The sentence affirmative and isn't there a lot of food left? هنايا negative sentence and interrogative and food is uncountable nouns we use a lot of. And next example, there are a lot of monuments. Here monuments is a countable noun we use a lot of. And he gave me a lot of information. Here information uncountable nouns we use a lot of. The last quantifier penalty of used with countable and uncountable noun and used with affirmative sentence. Example, there are a bunch of examples. Here example is uncountable noun, sorry. And I had a penalty of time uncountable nouns and we can still make a penalty of progresses. Here penalty of with countable and uncountable noun. تفهمنا؟ تكونوا فهمتوا الدرس ديال quantifier. إلى فيديو قادم إن شاء الله.